So you can see our function here for 3C. Our function here is in product. What's mean by function here is product? You can see in front here is a function of sub x. Then at the back here is a function of linear, x plus 2 and then square. So we have two functions, multiply it together, and then we cannot expand. If we can expand, then we can use it in simple way. Okay, so this one, lucky we have power of 2, so we can use it in simple way. But for this question, I will show you using product rule first. So we understand what is product rule first. So in front here is sub function, at the back here is linear function. So supposedly this is product rule, because product rule means the function involving in differentiation is in the form of product. Okay, so this is our function in front, this is our function at the back. So when you want to differentiate y with respect to x, it will give you, so before we differentiate it, we will write our equation in terms of the power, where power sub x is power of 1 over 2. Because in differentiate, our power form, our function must be in power form so that we can read our differentiation correctly, which is our power. So to differentiate it, dy dx, salin yang depan, product rule, salin yang depan, so salin lah mana yang diperlu dulu. Salin yang depan, differentiate yang belakang, tambah salin yang belakang, differentiate yang depan. So this is our rule. Okay, so continue. We're going to continue to fill in our differentiable part here. Differential part here. So salin depan, differentiate belakang. So how do I differentiate this part? The part belakang here. The part belakang here, you can see our function in power, means we will use our power rule. So power rule will be power turun depan, power tolak 1. So dia jadi kurungan ni kuasa 1. Kalau kuasa 1 biasanya kita tak tulis. Then differentiate dalam kurungan. Differentiate dalam kurungan ni x, kita dapat 1. So this is how we differentiate a power rule. Power turun depan, power tolak 1, differentiate dalam kurungan. So lagu yang diberi, rules yang diberi, you have to undergo the whole process. Okay, so we done here. Then we proceed how to differentiate at the front here, this part. So in order to differentiate this part, this is our formula rules number 2, the single x, where power turun depan, power tolak 1. So half minus 1, negative half lah. So this is our process of differentiation. After we done our differentiation, then we proceed to our process of simplify our answer. How to manage to simplify these two parts together. So we are going to factorize the same factor. So you can see this is part depan, ini part yang hasil yang kedua. So ni part nombor 1, ni part 2. 2 ni kena hasil tambah. So bukan nak kembang dan tambah, sebab last time your form 4, form 5, your function just involving polynomial. They didn't involving any sub function. Then they just polynomial, so you can expand and then you just minus off. But now your level should be involving different functions, so the way to simplify it supposedly is factorize the same things. So we can see our same factor here. You have a factor x plus 2. So we can factorize our factor x plus 2. You can see our factor x here. We also have factor x here. So how to factorize it? Take out our x. So you can see this x is power 1 over 2. This x is power negative half. So we only can factorize half, negative half. So when you factorize something, of course we will take out the power which is the smallest power, the common smallest power. This is 1, this is 2. So it means we are going to factorize out the factor of power 1. So what is remaining to simplify? So when this x is taking out the power of negative half, so the power half taking out the power of negative half, you get 1. So you're leaving the x here, x power of 1. Then time with value of 2, the factor x plus 2 already simplified out, already factorized out. Then plus here, x plus 2 factorized out, leaving another factor x plus 2 times 1 over 2, and then this x power of negative half already factorized out. So this is how we simplify this part. So it will get you 2x plus 1 over 2x, expand, then plus 1. So where 2x plus 1 over 2x, it will give you 5 over 2x plus 1. So this is how we simplify our function. So of course, we have to rewrite back our x power negative half to the denominator part. So you can see we're involving a fraction here. So we simplify our fraction. I get to the same denominator 2. So 5x plus 2. Now we can clear which is the part of denominator and which is the part of numerator. So x plus 2 times 5x plus 2 over the denominator is 2, and then this one, x power negative half, go back to the denominator, becomes square root. Because it is power negative, so of course it will go back to the denominator position and power back to the 1 over 2, which is square root.